students, this is your computer class and you are learning data representation chapter 2. In the last video we have discussed about the number system. There are 4 types of number system: binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. These 4 number systems are there for representing data into the computer. On the basis of that, we discuss some more things about the number system. Well, first of all, decimal number system. In the decimal number system, there are 10 digits 0 to 9. There are 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9. 0 to 9. 10 symbols are there. That's why it is known as Deca. Deca means 10. The base is 10. So whatever number we represent through decimal number system, it has base 10. It has the decimal number system is a positional value system. Positional value system means how data is represented and what is their positional value. Suppose that there is a number 2512 point means decimal 1971. These are the numbers and we have to represent these numbers in the basis of their positional value. 2 is the highest positional value. That's why it is known as MSD, most significant digit. Whereas this one has the lowest positional value, that's why it is known as LSD, lowest significant digit. But how we represent these numbers? As you know that its place value is it is unit place, tenth place, 100 plus and 1000 plus. So we just write this number 2 into 10 to the power 3, and this we write 5 into 10 to the power 2, and this we write the next number 1 into 10 to the power 1, plus this, for this number we write 2 into 10 to the power 0. Okay. When we write any number with power 0, it means its value is 1. 1 into 2 means 2. Okay? After that, after decimal, all these digits have minus sign as a power 10. Okay? So we write here like this: 1 into 10 to the power minus 1. 9 into 10 to the power minus 2, 7 into 10 to the power minus 3, and 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. So these are the positional values that we represent in decimal number system. Okay? Its position is 0. Its position is 1, its position is 2, its position is 3. In the same way, its position is minus 1, its position is minus 2, its position is minus 3, and its position is minus 4. So these are the positional value system, and it is for the decimal number system. Suppose you are writing and want to define positional value, so that you will use the same method. If you will calculate all these numbers, you will find the same number. Okay? The result will be 2512.1971. Okay, and the base is 10. So this is a decimal number system, and it has a positional value system which is represented like this way. Okay, so you understand better. Okay, after that we will discuss about the, well, after decimal representation we discuss about the binary number system. Binary number system, as the name, binary means only two digits, 0 and 1 is used in this number system. See here, it has combination of 1011 dot 1011, and binary number system has only combination of 0 and 1, that's why base is 2. Okay, if we represent binary numbers with their positional value, so we'll write like this: 1011 dot 1010. So you will see this one has most significant bit. This number has the highest value in the positional value, and this is decimal point, and this one has least significant bit, means its value is smallest. Okay, now we will see how these numbers will represent. These numbers will represent in the form of same method, 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 4. So this is the binary representation of number, and the base is 2, that's why we take 2 as a base number and its positional value as a power of the base number, and the digit is 1, so 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus the next number 0 into 2, 2 means the base and power 2 means its position. 1 into 2 to the power 1 is the bit and 2 is the base and 1 is its position. 1 into 2 to the power 0, the base is 2 and the position is 0, that's why power is 0. In the same way, this is the decimal point, and after decimal point we use negative signs. Okay, after negative point we use negative sign for the rightmost digits. Okay, and before means after decimal means in the left side we use positive symbols and right side we use negative symbols. Okay, so 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 because its position is minus 1, 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 because its position is minus 2, 1 into 2 to the power 3, position is minus 3, 1 into 2 to the power minus 4, position is minus 4. So this binary digit has most significant bit, its value is the highest, and LSB, least significant bit, its value is very low, that's why it is known as least significant bit. Okay, now we represent this number in decimal format. How we calculate this? 1 into 2 to the power 3 means 8. The number which is multiplied with 0 value will be 0. In the same way here, this is also 0. By mistake I have written 1. So these values will become 0 because any number when we multiply with 0, the value will be 0. Okay, so the next number will be 0 plus 2 to the power 1 means 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1. So it will become 1. And after this, negative values are there. So 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2. 2 inverse means 1 by 2. Plus this will become 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 means 1 by 8. And this will become 0. 0 into 2 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now we add this number 2 plus 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 and plus 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, plus this will 0 and 1 by 8 means 0.125. Okay, now we add the whole number. So 1.5 and 1 6 2 and 5. So this is a decimal representation of binary digits. This is decimal representation. Of digits. Okay, so by this way we can convert binary digits into decimal number system, and you can also represent bits with its positional value. Octal number system. In the octal number system, it has base 8. That's why it is known as octal number system, and it has 8 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it uses 8 symbols, 0 to 7. That's why it is known as the octal number system, and its base is 8. So we represent it has also positional value system. Means octal number system is also positional value system, and that I am going to represent with the positional value system. Okay, so see here, this is 5, 6, 7, 4, 3 and 0. Okay, these two boxes are not used, that's why I am erasing. Okay, now see how the positional value will represented in the octal number system. Okay, see the place, the first place is, this is decimal point, and left side has positive positional value, and right side after decimal has negative positional value. So we represent this as a minus, as a 0, 1 and 2, and right side of the decimal we represent -1, -2 and -3. Okay, Now we represent with the octal number system. So we write here 5 into. In the octal number system, the base is 8. That's why we write 8. And the positional value is 2. That's why we use power as a 2. Plus, we use the next digit, that is 6 into the base is 8 and the position is 1. That's why we use 8 and 1. The next digit is 7. Sorry. Yes, the next digit is 7 and the base is 8 and the position is 0. That's why we use 0 as a power. The next digit is 4 and this is the decimal point. So from here we start -1, -2, -3 as a positional value and we write here 4 into 8 to the power -1 plus 3 into 8 to the power -2 plus 0 into 8 to the power -3. Now we can calculate this number, okay, and we can find the value, okay. So let's see here. We calculate this number. 5 into 8 to the power 2. 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. So 8 8 are 64. So 5 into 64 plus 6 into 8. 6 8 are 48 plus 7 into 8 to the power 0. As you know that when power is 0 of any number, then its value will be 1 and that's why 7 plus 4 into 8 to the power -1, यानी कि ये क्या हो गया, इनवर्स हो गया, तो इसको लिखेंगे 4/8 प्लस 3 into 8 to the power -2 मीन्स ये भी 8 का इनवर्स हो गया, तो इसको लिखेंगे 3/8 8 जा 64 plus 0 into 8 to the power -3. It will become 0 because when we multiply with 0, the result will become 0. Okay, now we just calculate here. 5 2s are 5 4s are 20, 0 5 6 are 30 and 2 32 plus 48 and 7 55 plus 4/8 means 1/2 and 1/2 means 0.5 plus 3/64 and this is 0. Okay, so you will calculate this, okay, and this part I am adding 5 plus 2 7 and this is 3 plus 0.5 plus 3/64. So how we calculate this? 64 3. Okay, so 3 is not divisible by 64, so we will put here a decimal point and we will increase 0 and here also. Okay, now we calculate this. Okay, so 4 times 4 4 are 16, 4 6 are 24 and 1 25. Okay, now 44 will come. Again we put here a 0 and we will calculate this number. 6 7 are 42. Okay, so 7 times 7 4 are 28, 7 6 are 42 and this is 7 4 are 28, 7 6 are 42 and 2. So the value is increased. We will divide from 6. 6 4 are 24 na? 2 will carry. 6 6 are 36 and 2 38. Okay. 6 and 13. 5. Okay. Suppose we again put a 0 and we calculate. So 6 8 times. 8 4 ja 32, 8 6 ja 48, and add 3 51. Okay, now 8 and 4 and this one, and this is 0 and 8. Sorry, we will it will be divided by 7 times. 7 4 ja 28, 7 6 ja 42 and 44. So 10 minus 8 2 and 7 minus 4 यानी कि 3 and it is. So by this way you will calculate continuously. So we just calculated till 4 digits and we put here 0.04687, and finally we will calculate this number 375.54687. So this is decimal number that is converted from the octal number system. Okay, is that